pump lovers, today I'll show you some display functions. You can choose between 5 different modes. To enter each mode, all you have to do is press the middle button for 3 seconds. The LED will start to blink, and then you just choose your desired mode. To enter the mode, you just confirm it with the middle button. All modes can be combined with night mode as well. So all you have to do is press those 2 buttons for 3 seconds until the moon LED turns on. In automatic mode, the pump automatically sets the operating pressure depending on the hydraulic system. By doing so, the pump finds the optimal operating position. This mode is recommended in most systems. The parameters cannot be set, they can only be scrolled through. In proportional pressure mode, the pump maintains the pressure with relations to the current flow. Is usually used with radiators. For example, if you close some valves in one room, the pump will operate with less pressure and less flow. To set up the mode, you push the middle button for 3 seconds, then you confirm what you like, and that's it. In constant pressure mode, we can only set the pressure, which the pump will maintain. It's usually used for floor heating. To set the pressure, you enter the mode by pressing the middle button for 3 seconds, you confirm it, you choose your height, and then you confirm it again. In constant speed mode, the pump operates with currently set speed. In the unregulated mode, we can only set the speed at which the pump will operate. It's usually used for boiler installations and domestic hot water. To set the speed, you have to enter the mode by pressing the middle button. Then you confirm it, and then you choose your RPMs. And then you confirm it again. These modes can be used with NMT Smart and NMT Max. The combined mode is only available with the communication module. How to install the communication module on your pump, you can find the video on our channel. So that's it, and thank you very much.